Welcome to another video in which you are going to learn about HTML quotations, citations, which are often used in the websites. So right now you're going to learn about these simple things and which are the very basic about HTML. So let's jump into the work, and we will go through some of the blockqoute tag, q tags, abbr tag, address tag, cite tag, video tag, and I'm going to show what all these are about. So yeah, so this was the previous work we have done. We have created some HTML styles just like in my previous video we have done, and now I'm going to explain the number one tag which is the blockqoute tag. And what the blockqoute tag is, that you define that it defines a section that is quoted from another website. For example, that if I have taken this text from another website, so I will use the blockqoute, and our browsers usually indent those elements, and let me show you that how it works. So, and in that blockqoute we use some citings to refer that from where the material was taken. So let me show you that how it is done. Let's say some HTML website. Okay, this is how to build a website. Now I'm using this copy paste this text. I will use the blockqoute tag, and inside it I'm going to paste this text. So now let's see how it does look like. And now I will use this cite thing. This is an attribute, and from where I have used this, I will copy the link, and this is a practice these web developers use. Now let's see how it looks like. It doesn't change much, but this is a practice that every website developers use this. So now you have this text here, okay, and the text. And now if I inspect it, because blockqoute usually browsers indent, I have mentioned in the earlier the video earlier. Look, the citation. If someone want to see that from where the content is taken, the link is mentioned here. So this is the one way that we use, and the one method, and we use blockquotes and citations. The other one tag is the q tag, and why the q tag is used. It's a short quotation. You see that there are some double dots around the text, so that's the q tag we used. Why we use so. So let me use this q tag around this. I have now there's an open tag, and then there's an closing tag. See, now let's see what happens. See this. So now you see this. There are these two quotations around the text. So these are the q tags. Okay, so let me see it's recording or not. Yes, it's recording. Well, the other thing is the abbr, which I haven't seen in much of the websites, but yes, it's the same as the citing we have used, like here, just the cite. For example, I'm using this, space abbr tag, and it's not same like this citing. And underneath we use some title, and the title of this is W3 schools. Okay, and I write some W3 schools. Right, and this is mentioning some. Close the tag. Now it's fine. Let's see. So yes, we were using the abbr tag, and now let's see how it looks like. W0 schools, and just like the same is under this tag. I don't want to use this under this, outside it. So this is the abbr tag, which is not very much used, but yes, we must know the basics of it. And yes, it's for example that when you are writing some of the text, and you want to underline something, and you want to mention something that it is something there is in the text, so a developer or some just like we know that we just right click and then inspect what it is, we can know something about it because we know what this is. This is an attribute tag, abbr tag, you know. So I've used it sorry, I've used it wrong. Okay, so it basically used like this. Not in a capital word. Okay, and I say this Python, and I add the title Python. So what now? How it will look like this? You see this, the underline. If I right click now, I know that there is something added inside this tag, and someone mentioning this is some. So yeah, we can see it here. So just like the same thing about the citing, that we cite something and we can see that where it is taken from. So the same thing, attribute, abbr. Okay, I'm saying it attribute again and again, which doesn't mean anything. Another thing is the address tag. And how it is used, the address tag. Okay, let's see the styling of it. Now the address tag. We know that how to add a tag, and this is the address tag. So I am writing some addresses. So I will write as written by front stack developer, then br tag. And you know what the br means? It's break tag. You are breaking that line, so we will see that effect too, that what it affects when you add some break tag. So visit at www.python.com. again the br tag, and 4-5 Disneyland Las Vegas, not Las Vegas, California. Yeah. Again break tag. So yes, now let's see that how these break tags are affecting and the address is shown. Okay, we have already copied the file path. So this is the address tag we have used. So we have seen this in many of the websites, that when they are showing the addresses in the website, so it's written in these tags. Not many of the people using the address tag. They just use the simple paragraph tag and mention their addresses. But yes, we must know the basics of the HTML. So yes, in this video we have learned some address tag and the abbr tag and the citing of the content we have used from. And now there is the last tag, which is called the BDO tag, and it stands for bi-directional override, and it's used to override the current text direction. Okay, so now how it's used, let me show you. What I have said earlier, it is used to override. It is used to override the current text directions. So yes, so it's now this tag is something great. I think I will add some video tag. Okay, and now I will write some that you are a great person. Okay, so it's written here that you are a great person. And one more thing I have forgot to tell you, that this line is now just under this address, and I do not want, I want a space between them. So how I can do this was just adding some break tags. And there is another thing which is called I think hr. So yeah, it gives me the line and the space, and it looks good. HR tag. So now I will use the attribute called dir, and I will write some RTL, and now you will see that what it will do, it just override the current text direction. So that's fun. That's very uh, useful, and you can play with it. What more we can do? You're right, it doesn't do that. Just yes, the RTL is something we can use and we can play with. So yes, we have, in the end of the video, we have learned so much about these simple things, and these simple things are those and which is very valuable, because when we are going to build some a website, so we must know these small things which values a lot in some of the big codings. So these address tag, this abbr tag, and what the tag is, this breaking line of tag, the citation tag. So I do not have, I think, teach you about the citing tag. I've mentioned this cite as an attribute. So there is another uh, tag, cite tag. Okay, it's not another cite tag, but I have told you about the cite attribute, not the tag. So let me tell you quickly about that and what it is used for. So I will copy and paste, and now see what happens. The text, the discerned mollet benim, I can use just like now. If I want to style this, so I can use a style and then color and black color. Okay, so this look at this style, because what I have done, if I remove this side, okay, now watch what the effect is happening. Okay, now it's italic and it's cited. So that's it for today, this video. We have now learned about the blockqoute, abbr tag, address tag, br tag, and the video tag, which is really fun. I enjoy this tag, and I played it, and I can play it with that. So yeah, you use these tags, learn these tags, very basic and very small stuff, and it values a lot when in the future going to build a big website. So yes, thank you for the video watching, and comment in the video what you missed, and what you like or not. Share it, share this knowledge. Thank you very much. See you, and I hope you like this, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you very much.